Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today we are going to make a delicious sweet out of the leftover rice. Pal Kolkata is a very famous sweet from the southern part of India which is made out of rice flour, and here we are going to do the same with the leftover cooked rice. For this I have 1.5 cups of cooked rice here. I have transferred this into a mixie jar and I am going to blend this for about a minute. This is ready. To this add 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, that is maida. If you don't want to add maida, you can go for rice flour. The cooked rice will be sticky, so knead this carefully. Add a teaspoon of oil into this and start kneading this properly. You have to knead this until it is non-sticky and soft. This is ready. Let us make small balls out of this. The balls are ready. Set this aside. In another bowl, take 1 cup of water. To this add half a cup of sugar. Give a nice mix. The sugar has to dissolve completely. Add a pinch of cardamom powder. Let us wait for this to start boiling. At this stage, let us add a cup of milk. This is not a raw milk. I have already boiled it. Give a mix and wait till this starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, keep it in low flame and start adding the balls. Close this and in medium flame cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes. This is ready. It will be so soft than the regular pal kolkata. Our leftover rice pal kolkata is ready. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.